now I will be showing you the improvements in the broken references dialog. And we have a dialog that reports broken references in the model. So now I will be opening, I will open all projects contain broken references as an example. So this is an example of the dialog that we had previously. And one improvement is that now in this dialog, we are printing the names of the objects that are actually cannot be found, that are missing. So in this case, you can see from the dialog and have a hint that your capsule is missing, and probably you have moved it from this resource to some other resource. But this dialog and these steps that can be used to solve this, we have had them before, but now in this sprint we have just improved and added the names of the objects. But you also probably know from our previous demos that we have recently made a cleanup in the CPP primitive data types, and now some of the data types are missing. The problem is that first that C profile and C primitive data types package is now an optional installation, and by default you don't get it. And in case you were by mistake pointing to some C primitive data types instead of CPP primitive data types, they are now broken. The other reasons is that we have improved and made a cleanup of the packages with CPP types. Some of the packages were removed, and we have also removed some duplicates, like unsigned. It was present in two data types. We had unsigned and also unsigned int. So now we have only one unsigned int, and the second one was removed. Now we are printing information about this, and the resolution actually is different compared to the previous dialog that you saw. So if you have broken references because of these data types change that we did previously, then we say about model fix-up, this is the resolution that can be applied. Also, we have added this article that is describing the reasons why you can see these broken primitive data types. And also in this page, we have a link to the page with model fix-up that can be used to fix your models automatically, and it is present in two variants. So it's the model fix-up plugin, which you can download and install, and also for these type of fixes related to primitive data types, you can also use a shell script, model fix-up shell script, that can from the command line fix all your data types. So this is how it looks like. Now you see that for each resource that you open, you get you see the list of types that are broken. If there are too many, they are not listed, of course, all of them, but we are cutting this list. And it gives you more information when you are migrating to the new version, how you can fix it. If you don't want to see this anymore, you can check this checkbox, and you will not see this dialog popping up. So yeah, and also I can show you actually that this model fix-up script that you can directly download from this page. For this broken references, it is fixing quite easily. So now I will just close all of these projects. And here, so, oh yes, I already downloaded it. But here is how you're using. So model fix up, and you just provide a folder. I will put a dot, which is the current folder, where the script will search for all model files and will fix broken references. So now I'm running the script. And yes, I want my files to be overwritten. I press yes. So, and now I press yes to the fixes that it suggests. So first, you see that it is updating references to the obsolete package, C++ types. Then it will also update unsigned to actually use unsigned int. And also it suggests you to fix references to C types. I will also answer yes. It will fix, it will be using types from CPP package. And C property sets profile, I also want to remove that. This is a shell script, and it can be used from Windows or from Linux for both platforms. Here I will answer no, because I don't want to update my code snippets. So now my model is fixed, and if I will now load it again, all of this, open, and I open this package, this model file, and I don't get any dialog anymore because all the type references were fixed. So now I will only get these broken references which are related to some model elements which were moved or which cannot be found. But for primitive data types, everything has been fixed by the script.